guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I have empties video with me. So I have a lot of products that I want to go through one by one, talk about if I like them or not. I have used all of these products, used up all of these products. So let's just get right into the video. So the first brand that we have here is Minimalist. Now I have used a lot of their products in the past and I still use them from time to time. But let's talk about the PHA toner. I have completely finished it up, and this toner, let me tell you, it was so good while I was using it. You know, I had a lot of acne bumps and a lot of skin texture before, and this was the product that helped me, you know, just have smooth skin, mildly exfoliate my skin, but still, you know, not getting overly rough. So that's why I like it, and I do really think that this is worth the price. Although right now I'm not going to repurchase this because I already have the glycolic acid toner from Minimalist. Right now I'm using that, so I'm not going to repurchase. But yes, if I finish up my glycolic toner, I might go back to this one. So the next one that we have here is the Maleic Bond Repair Hair Mask. Now this product, if you have colored hair, damaged hair, this is the product I feel like you are going to absolutely love. This actually did help, you know, tame my frizz. It actually did repair my damage as well. It also helps if you have a lot of rough hair in the bottom end, so it really helps to tame all of that down. It's a very good hair mask, although right now I'm using some other mask, some viral TikTok mask that I have seen, so that's why I'm not going to repurchase this. But once I finish up those masks, I'm definitely going back to this because this is really good. So anyway, the next product I have from Minimalist is the Vitamin C Serum. Now I had really high expectations from this product, and yeah, it's finished as you can see. I love Minimalist products and I always think that they are such a great brand for the price, but this one was okay. It did not disappoint me. It did not make my skin break out or anything of that sort, but I did not notice a lot of difference when I was using it. I was like, okay, this works okay. I mean, it's not that great, but it does not really work that fast when it comes to you know, acne marks or pigmentation. I have used their other products which work so much better. That Transglutaminase acid works so much better for acne marks rather than vitamin C. So vitamin C was not something that I would, you know, repurchase in the future. Now let's talk about the brand Foxtale. So Foxtale vitamin C serum is actually much more better than the Minimalist one. The only problem with the Foxtale vitamin C serum is that it oxidizes super fast. So, you know, if you and your mom, you guys are using vitamin C serum together, like get the Foxtale one because you both can use it and finish it up very soon. Or else, yes, if you are keeping this even not under direct sunlight, if you are keeping this in a very dark place, also I've noticed it does oxidize pretty fast. So this is a product me and my mom together we use it, and that's why I like it, because you know, this is a, you know, every time I use this, I have to tell you guys, every time I use it I notice that glow instantly, and that's why I like it, because it's a very hydrating vitamin C serum. And I have another one in my collection, although right now I'm not using this product. I'm using their rapid spot removal or something like that, that pink color. You know, it comes in a pink color packaging, so that's what I'm using right now. But the vitamin C also works great for pigmentation and dark spots. And of course, their Ceramide moisturizer is one of my favorite. I have been using it almost a year now. I have repurchased this time and again. I love it during winters, during summers. Summers mein thoda it becomes a little bit heavy sometimes, but most of the time I use it and I love it. I have like 3 at my home. My sister uses this. We all love it. It's a great product. Now let's talk about this sunscreen. So this sunscreen is not something that I am using currently, so it's not something I'm going to declutter, but I just wanted to keep this in today's video because I'm not going to use it anymore. I'm going to give it away for the reason that this works great as a primer. Like, this has the silicone based sunscreen, which is really something that we don't see a lot, but I like it. Although the only reason I'm not using this is because I have dry skin, and whenever I use this product, sometimes it kind of makes my makeup look a little bit dry. But if you have oily skin, oh my god, get this. It works as a primer and it's going to work as a sunscreen too. It almost kind of makes your pores and skin very, very smooth. I like to use this when it's like super hot sunny day outside, but I'm going to give it to my sister because she has more of a oily skin type and she likes more of a matte makeup look. So this would be perfect for her. So I am not actually throwing this out, but I will be decluttering this. So let's move on to the next product. Next product we have here is the face skin. So this is the sunscreen that they had. Look at the packaging, it's so old. I used to go through this sunscreen like water. I had so many in my collection, and then I fell in love with a lot of other sunscreens. So when Faye released this sunscreen, there wasn't anything similar to this consistency, like a water sort of, just water burst on your skin. Let me see if I have it still. Yeah, a little bit of that. So you can see that this one has gone bare, I think so right now. So this actually just leaves such a nice hydrating finish on your skin, and at that time I did not have much sunscreens in my collection that gave me this sort of texture and this look that I was really liking. So for me, I would still say that the Faye sunscreen is very, very good. It does not give any white cast. It's a very good product. If you want to go for it, you can go for it. For me personally, I'm not going to repurchase because I have a lot of sunscreens in my collection right now. So yeah, this is a great product, but I'm not going to repurchase right now. Let's talk about hair care. So this is the Biotic Argan Oil Hair Mask. If you have seen my videos, like, it's completely khali, as you can see. So if you have seen my videos, you might have seen, me talk about this, use this. This only retails for 250 rupees, and you can get this on discounts as well. I got it for 199 once. So this is such a great product, especially if you have dry and damaged hair. It's so good. I use a lot of high-end products as well in my hair care routine because hair care is something I take very seriously. So if I have to spend like really big amounts, big chunk of my money on hair care, I would do that, or else my hair would just fall off, because every month I dye my hair, I color my hair, and yeah, so I really need to take a lot of care for my hair. So I have to tell you guys that this works so well for the price. I have used a lot of hair masks that are very expensive. I've used 5,000 rupees hair mask as well, and this one I don't see that much of difference between a 5,000 rupee hair mask and this one. So for Biotic, if I have ever repurchased something like crazy, it has to be their hair mask. And if you have to get one thing from this entire video, get the hair mask. It's really, really good, and you can look through my other videos as well. I have talked about it. I really love it. Anyway, let's talk about the next product, which is the L'Oreal shampoo. It is the Extenso Care shampoo. So I mainly got this because whenever I went to a salon, they washed my hair always with this variant shampoo. So I was very intrigued because they were using these shampoos and the hair mask, and my hair definitely looked very good after visiting a salon. So I got it for myself. I do have to say, I like this shampoo. It works very well for dry, damaged hair. If you have colored hair as well, professionals even recommend this to use this shampoo. So that's why I got it. It's worth the price, but right now I'm using more bonding treatment shampoos. But if you are someone who has colored hair, dry, damaged hair, then you can definitely go for this. It's a little bit on the higher end. It's not their usual typical hair shampoo that you get under 300. I think it's like 600. Yeah, it's expensive. It's 950. So I would say get this during sale if you're looking for a really, really good shampoo that is going to take care of your hair very well. Just cleanse it, but again, not strip your hair, and make it dry. This is the one. Anyway, the last product, oh no, we have two more products to go through. So next we have here is the Plum Na Ceramide Toner. Now this toner, as you can see, almost finished it up. This was my second bottle of purchasing the Plum Na Ceramide toner, and I do have to say it works so well. Again, right now I'm using more hydrating toners, so that's why I'll not repurchase, but this is a very, very good toner to have, especially if you want glowing skin. So it's not going to give you glowing skin right away, but this has 3% niacinamide, and it's something that is going to just, if you have textured skin, a little bit textured skin, it's going to just smooth out your skin. It's going to give you that glow. It's also great for brightening, so it does everything in one, but this takes time. For example, I would say the Minimalist toner, the PHA one, This one works very well for textured skin. This one works for textured skin, for oily skin, for glowing, you know, for that radiant glow if you want that. And it also works, you know, just to get rid of pigmentation or dark spots as well. So it's like a all-in-one toner. So the next product we have here is the Dermaco Ceramide Lip Balm. As you can see, I have finished it all up. I do have to say I like this lip balm, although I have a lot of lip balms right now in my collection, so that's why I'm not going to repurchase. But yeah, it's a very good lip balm for the price. It has ceramides in it, so whenever I feel like it's specially made for winter, I feel like, so it's very thick sort of consistency. If I can show you guys. Yeah, so in summers, like right now I'm in AC, so it has hardened up a bit, as you can see. So whenever I am just, yeah, so there you go. So yeah, I think it has expired as well because I have been using it since winters. So yeah, I do have to say it's a very good lip balm to have in your collection, especially if you have dry, cracked lips, and to just apply it throughout the day. It's very small, like a capsule, so I like it. Although right now I'm not going to repurchase this because I have a lot of lip balms, especially for my summer stash. But for winters, I will definitely go for this one. So that was it for today's video. So these are mostly products that I will go back. For example, the Minimalist toner, the hair mask. Right now, I'm not going to repurchase them because again, I have a lot of product to test out. But then, you know, when I feel like nothing's working for me or I want to switch back to my regular normal products, these are the go-to products that I definitely can rely on most of the time. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if there was any of your favorites in this list that I showed you guys. Let me know what is your favorite, what is your one go-to product that you cannot live without from this entire thing. I would definitely have to say the Biotic hair mask is one such product, and the Ceramide Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer from Foxtale. These two are just my go-to. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.